Hello everyone. First of all, happy Lunar New Year for tomorrow. Officially it is the Chinese Lunar New Year is Wednesday the 29th. So happy New Year to everyone. Now, I would like to start off by saying I have a bit of a confession to make. I never thought in all my lifetime that I would be creating a snake oil. Now, I know, pardon the pun, I am sure you know what I mean by that. And let me say that what I have created is by no means a cure-all elixir. I am not going to be promoting it like that as one of these snake oil salesmen. And this was why I probably was so apprehensive to make the year of the snake blend. And this year I decided, after the beautiful success of Year of the Dragon, when I learnt about the snake, the character associated with the snake, I just couldn't help myself. I fell in love with it. And it's such a pity because within Western culture, the snake gets such a bad rap. It has, throughout millennia, has had such a bad rap. We all know the association with the serpent in the Garden of Eden. We know the association with Medusa. So in Greek mythology, the snake was often perceived as something evil. And yet, when I was talking to Kia, my business partner in Japan, we were talking about the snake, and she was saying, but the snake is seen as having very special powers, very protective powers, and very good powers. So in deciding to create the snake blend, I wanted to look and examine what are the powers often associated with someone born in the year of the snake. And that is the premise. And then, of course, here in Australia, we have some of the most poisonous, dangerous snakes in the world. So the snakes, of course, there's a reason for us to fear snakes on many reasons. And this year in particular has been a very bad year, I understand, because of either the dry weather or the very wet weather that we've been having. But let me talk to you about the gorgeous year of the snake blend that I've created. And let me tell you a bit of the background story of how I chose the essential oils and how they embody all the beautiful traits often associated with the actual snake, because the blend itself is very elegant. It's a very sophisticated blend, and I hope that I've been able to capture the essence of the snake in this blend. And as usual, I would like to thank the incredible team that I have at Perfect Potion. While I create these beautiful essential oil blends, they just look so gorgeous when our design team just creates the most beautiful packaging for it. So I hope you enjoy the packaging. Now, we do have a very special offer as well with the snake blend, with the diffuser snake, and with the Year of the Snake blend as well. So I'll talk to you about that at the end of this little presentation. When I did my research into the character of the snake, according to the Chinese Lunar New Year, I discovered that it was seen as a creature of wisdom, of grace, and of power. The snake is considered very intelligent. It's very intuitive. And it's very much in tune with its surroundings. It is often seen as a symbol of transformation and of being able to shed old skin and embracing the new. All these qualities help me in choosing the essential oils that create the beautiful Year of the Snake blend. So I knew that this snake blend had to embrace the elegance, the resilience, the calmness that is often associated with this character of the snake. So what are some of the unique qualities that are often associated with the snake personality? I've identified, I haven't listed them all, there's quite a few. One is they are extremely independent. They have a strong sense of determination about them. They are very intuitive people, very aware of their surroundings. They are very elegant and graceful. They are wise. They are very calm and collected and very passionate. When I look at this, I thought, oh my God, what beautiful essential oils I can use to create this blend. Now, let me also tell you, I've pointed out all the positive traits that are often associated with the snake personality. But snakes do have their challenges. They can be very mysterious and very private. They sometimes tend to keep their thoughts and their feelings to themselves. So this may, for some people, they may appear slightly aloof, slightly secretive, and a little bit mysterious. They can be a bit possessive. They can be very possessive, actually, in their relationships. And this is due to their very strong passion, deep passion and desire that they often have for closeness. And another challenge that snakes might have, mind you, it's not such a bad challenge, is that they can be perfectionists. They set very high standards for themselves, and they will often struggle with this perfectionism and can be very self-critical of themselves. The aroma is incredible, and you'll understand the aroma once you see the essential oils that it has. It's got a beautiful medley of citrus oils it starts off with. It's got spicy notes in it, delicate florals, very beautiful earthy notes, and some very interesting woody notes as well. So it almost has this mystique about it. I wanted to capture a little bit of mystique that is often also associated with the character of the snake. So let me explain and run through those essential oils that are in this year of the snake blend. For the independence, I chose lemon and ylang ylang. Ylang ylang is the heart and soul of this blend. It's a really rich, powerful, evocative essential oil. And you can see that ylang ylang embodies the independence, the determination, the elegance and the grace of the snake. It embodies the passion and it also has this beautiful, calm and collected quality about it. On the other hand, the lemon adds this beautiful, fresh, vibrant top note to this blend. It complements beautifully the floral and the earthy and the resiny notes in this blend. But the lemon embodies that quality of independence, of determination, that make up the qualities associated with the year of the snake blend. I just added that dash of black pepper. Just a little bit of black pepper is needed, and the black pepper was very special in this blend. It evokes that strong sense of determination and will that is associated with the snake. Now, I chose sandalwood. The sandalwood I felt that was going to be better used for this gorgeous blend was the Santalum spicatum, the Australian variety. It's got a slightly more intriguing, mysterious aroma. I feel that slightly more resinous aroma. I just felt that it would embody the characteristics and the traits of the snake more effectively than the santalum album. So the sandalwood is a very key ingredient in this blend as well, because it embodies the qualities of determination, of intuition, which are often associated with the character of the snake, of elegance and grace, of wisdom as well as it adds that beautiful calming nature, very calming energy to this particular blend. Now, intuition is such an important trait of the snake, and I have added 3 very powerful essential oils that work together in synergy: the everlasting, the frankincense, and the sandalwood work together to really support that beautiful intuitive quality which is associated with the snake. Now, as I've said, the snake personality can be extremely charming, can be very elegant and graceful. So it's not surprising I had to add perhaps my most favorite citrus oil. It embodies the characteristics of grace and elegance, and that is bergamot, because it's got that beautiful floral note. It complements ylang ylang so beautifully, and sandalwood itself. It's like a little mini accord, the elegance and grace accord. The bergamot, the top note, ylang ylang the heart, and the sandalwood the bass note. What's just a beautiful combination on its own. Now, wisdom. When you want to embody the qualities of wisdom in an essential oil blend, you have to go the deep resins, the earthy notes. So what better essential oils than the sandalwood, frankincense, and a touch of patchouli. I wanted to use patchouli here because it had that slightly more sweeter, more exotic aroma, almost a floral earthy aroma. It just complements the ylang ylang and the other essential oils so beautifully. So that little combination of frankincense, patchouli, and sandalwood beautifully embodies the qualities of wisdom that are often associated with the snake. Now, the snake will often remain very calm and collected in even the most tense and stressful situations. This gives the snake that capacity for resilience. So this is a quality that I think we're all going to need in 2025 to get through 2025. It's going to be a wonderful and exciting year, but it's going to be a year which I think we're going to have to remain calm and collected quite often. So what better combination here? There's a lot of the essential oils in this blend that add to this calm and collected feature of the snake. Geranium together with the ylang ylang, patchouli, sandalwood, and vetiver. Such a beautiful combination which adds to that calmness and spirit of the snake. Passion is also a very important feature of the snake personality, and I feel that the passion has been beautifully embodied with bergamot, ylang ylang, and patchouli. So we had a bit of fun to make this and get the right balance of these oils. I hope you do enjoy it. It's a complex scent. And it just evokes, if you spend time taking in deeply, you will feel those warmer, earthier, woody notes come through. Now, the best way to describe the scent, I want to describe it by the way that it makes you feel. It's quite a captivating smell. I'd like to think of it as being quite an enigmatic blend, quite unique. It evokes a feeling of calm. At the same time, it's quite elegant. It's quite graceful. It embodies the wisdom, intuition, and that strong sense of determination. All these wonderful traits of the snake. Now, if you're going to say, well, Sal, when can I use it? What are the ideal? I'm not born in the snake year of the snake. So why should I use this? Well, let me tell you why you should consider using the year of the snake blend, even if you're not born in the year of the snake. Now, if you are born this year, you're going to absolutely resonate with this oil. There's no doubt about it. But if you ever feel a little bit anxious, feel like you are lacking direction, feeling stuck, a little bit overwhelmed with this situation, what's happening around you, your energy feels scattered, your thoughts are scattered, you might be afraid to express yourself, you have feelings of resentment, and you lack belief in yourself, that's when you should consider using this gorgeous blend, inhaling it, using it in a diffuser, for example. The positive outcomes of using the year of the snake blend, they include things like grace, a more calm composure, confidence, courage, having that clear purpose in life, being more creative, having a very calm composure, being very decisive and strategic, having resilience, having leadership, and having hope and optimism. These are all the positive outcomes you can expect when you use the year of the snake. It's such a gorgeous blend. I do hope that you will enjoy it. And as I said, even if you are not born in the year of the snake, you simply admire the profound association and symbolism associated with the snake, especially within Asian cultures, not within Western cultures. And this blend is a beautiful embodiment of all those cultures. So please embrace the year of the snake. Have an awesome year, and I hope that it helps you to move through and glide smoothly through this year so that you can overcome all those challenges with authenticity and with pose. So please remember this gorgeous blend. There is free shipping for tonight. This is a live event. There is free shipping, but do take advantage of the gorgeous offer. And I just felt with the black Gohan diffuser, it's just a perfect collection, and we've got a wonderful price on this beautiful bundle. Thank you so much, and I hope that your year of the snake is absolutely awesome. Thank you.